morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. Thank God it's food. Thank God it's Friday. It is Friday morning here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Here, I got my shirts yesterday. They came a day early. This is one of them. This is one of the designs. Food is art. Yes, it is. Coming to you. You can order, if you just contact me. I am going to get them on the website. I've just had an off week. I'm not getting much sleep. That's a big part of it. Last night, I prepared coconut curry chicken and sweet potato poutine fries. Oh, it was good. Now, I did, typical casual chef, I added some things to this dish. I added some onion, a diced red onion, it was left over. Garlic, ginger, and I'm thinking of something else. But yeah, it kicked it up a notch. I didn't add any la merch or any other chili powders. I just wanted the chili paste, the curry chili paste, to do its thing, because that adds a lot of flavor. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. We are going, or I'm going. It's we. You're on this expedition with me. We are going to Nepal. Yeah, little country. In the Far East. I'm preparing Dal Bhat, which translates, dal is split pea, or it's a legume, and phat is rice. I'm kicking this one up a notch or two. Let's go take a look. The hardware. I'm not settled totally on the hardware because of I'm doing a half recipe, but my brain right now is Dutch oven and my medium-sized saucepan. Okay, for the goodies, we got some ghee. We have 3 types of dal. We have red dal, green dal, and yellow dal. Let's see here. Moong, Chantal, and this one is, the red, and I know it looks orange, is Masoor dal. So Masoor, Moong, and Chantal. All right, then we got mustard seeds. I'm going to use 2 different mustard seeds. They're flavor-wise, they're kind of opposites. I'm going to be using yellow mustard seed, brown mustard seed. Then I'll be adding some cumin seed, turmeric, and some la merch, garlic, fresh ginger. I'm going to be using serranos and Thai peppers. The beaker is for water. For the rice, we got cumin seed, whole cloves, bay leaf. Of course, rice. I'm going to be actually getting some whatever. You know how you say it. Rice, peas, carrot. The tomatoes will go throughout this wonderful dish. So that's the Nepal dish. There's some soaking, there's simmering, it's going to be full of flavors, lots of flavors. The rice is actually called Jeera rice, or Jeera Bhat, actually, it's Bhat with a B. So yeah, the house is going to smell fantastic later on today. So on this TGIF, thank God it's food. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.